Hi, I'm Dan Locke. I'm here today with the Valleys Regional Park at the first day of the Our Futures Festival. It's a really great opportunity for us as the Valleys Regional Park to showcase some of the work of our amazing partners. So we've got Bridgend Country Park here, one of our amazing discovery gateways. We've also got Park Slip, another of our fantastic discovery gateways based further into the festival.
This experience is called Wild About Park Slip, and it will give you a 360-degree immersive experience of our fantastic nature reserve, which is based in Tondi in Bridgend. Our Wild Park Slip VR experiences are a great engagement tool, particularly for the younger generation. We're really excited to now be able to take these to events and showcase these amazing headsets, and we're really grateful for Valleys Regional Park for funding this for us.
Other partners we're working with today, the Nature Isn't Neat team from the Gwent Green Grid, doing amazing work raising awareness of the potential of roadside verges and the potential for biodiversity and well-being and bringing nature into our lives. So they're doing some fantastic activities over there for children to get involved with. Bringaru stall has got all the various skulls of the local wildlife that can be found in the park. We've got a Big Box Boyd here to demonstrate the great work that the Big Box Boyd initiative is doing in schools across the Valleys Regional Park. And then we've got Natural Resources Wales with us, and they're here to talk about the work of the Healthy Hillsides campaign. So lots going on, lots to talk about the valleys here today. Really good opportunity for us to talk to the general public and other stakeholders and potential partners about the work that's going on. I'm just generally looking forward to getting out there mingling, telling people about our work and the work that we do, hearing about their work, making some new contacts, making some new partnerships, and just generally having a good day.